Hello and welcome to my channel. In the image you can see two double two-way switches, two light fixtures, a circuit breaker and a few notes. In this video I will show you how a double two-way switching circuit works. This is a more advanced electrical circuit, often used when you want to control two separate lighting circuits from two different locations. We'll go step by step using a clear diagram, real switch symbols and standard wire colors, so everything is easy to understand. If you've ever been confused by double two-way switches, this video will finally make it clear. Now I'm going to set up the first circuit, so let's start wiring everything up. The first circuit is now fully functional. Since the switch contacts are closed, as you can see in the image, the bulbs in the first fixture have lit up. Now I'm going to toggle the left switch to turn off the three bulbs. Watch closely as the contact opens and closes. Now I'm moving on to the connections for the second circuit. I'll be using black wire so you can see everything clearly on the schematic. With the contacts closed like this, the bulbs are now on. Both circuits are now fully wired. I used a jumper wire from L2 to L1 on the right switch to provide power to the second circuit, right here. Now I will turn on the other three light bulbs using the switch on the right. Watch how one contact opens and the other one closes, and the lights turn on. At the moment, the light is very strong with all 6 bulbs on, so I will turn off 3 of them for better comfort. I will do this using the right hand switch. Watch what happens. The wiring is done, and, as you can see, everything is working perfectly. Always remember, working with electricity can be dangerous. This diagram is shown for educational purposes only. If you are not qualified, always consult a licensed electrician. If this video helped you understand double two-way switching, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you want to see a tutorial with intermediate switches, hotel wiring, or long corridor lighting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.